Today we're going to look at how to use JBL and how to access our labs and what to actually submit in your assignments. Okay, so on the screen, I'm inside the JBL course. So I'm going to look at Lab 8. So when I load Lab 8, you'll have my link to my lab. So while I'll wait for JBL to install this or open this up. So I'm creating an incident response policy. I'll have my topology. Tells me which lab I'm working on. So I want to click Open Theory Lab. So each one of these lab steps I will be working through when I'm doing the lab. So I'll read through the introduction. I'll do the guided exercises. Now, when I come to a place where I actually input my information, it'll be these text box. With this, I will click on the edit icon. With this, so regardless of what I put in here, when I click save, you'll see that my lab progress has increased. Even though this is not the right answer, you'll see that this has went up. That is not your grade. This 9% is not meaning that you got 9 points. That just means that you have progressed 9% through the lab. So this will not be your grade once again. So once I go through this, and you'll see that regardless of what I type, the percentage goes up. And I'm just typing random letters. But once I complete the lab, so currently I'm 45% through. All right, so once I've completed this lab, you will see in the upper right hand corner, you will see a PDF button. When I download this, if I download it from here, you'll see that none of my answers are being posted. Okay, so that is just downloading your lab guide. We still have to finish the lab and submit this. So I'm gonna go back through here and finish typing these out. Okay, so now I'm seeing I'm at 100% through the lab. Once again, that is not your grade. When I close out the lab, you'll see that in my main lab here, my main page, I have a view lab report. So when I click on this link, this shows me my lab report with my corrected answers or my answers I put in. This is where you will download your file from. So download the PDF from here. You'll notice that it has your name in the file name. In here, it'll show your name, your address, the progress. Once again, not your grade. Then this will show your answers that you've input into the lab sheet. So this is lab sheet. This is what you will submit. So from here, you'll go back to Blackboard and come down to the corresponding lab Dropbox, and you will submit the lab sheet that you download from JBL into Blackboard. And then I will grade it, and that's where you will get your grade for your labs.